Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hopefully, you are doing great. I just want to recap everything that we have learned in the class. This is for the students who missed this lecture and who are online. So, this is about measuring to the halves and fourths of an inch. The one word that we will talk about is the whole first. Measure to the whole, halves, and fourths of an inch. For example, when we go for a tailor for to stitch our clothes, mostly the tailor used to measure our clothes, and so same like that, we will be talking about the measurement, but in this time we will be using our rulers. Okay, so you can see here is a butterfly and a girl. She is taking a measurement for the butterfly. How much long is this butterfly is? So as a math teacher, we will only talk about designing a ruler. How you can make a ruler by yourself. And then after it, you will be able to draw a line plot, but this is the next step. First, today we will talk about designing a ruler. So as a teacher, you will be designing a ruler to help your students how they can measure the lengths with halves and fourths. To the fourths, we can also say 8/4 of an inch. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to mark the units on your ruler. Number two, you should be able to measure the length using your rulers with whole numbers, with halves and fourths of an inch. And you will be able to make a line plot. This is the next step. We'll not talk about line plot right now, but you can see if it is connected with the ruler. So in the end, we will discuss about the success criteria. Did we achieve our work targets or not? Okay, the most important thing is the language development. You know what is a ruler in maths? Whole numbers are the numbers which are starting from 0, like 0, then want to say 1, then 2, and then so on. So many. Up till you can write 100, up till 1000. You can talk like this. What is halves? What is fourths? What's a line plot is, and what is horizontal? This is what we will talk about on the next slides. Horizontal, we all know about what is mean by horizontal. Horizontal and vertical are the lines. Horizontal line is x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. Okay, let's see our first slide. Here, let's take a paper, this one. This is a paper. Let's cut it into two parts like this. This one part is half and this is also half. So consider this was a ruler. In this ruler, you see this is your 1 inch and this is your 2 inch. And on this ruler, you see this is starting from 0 inch to 1 inch. If you cut it into the half, or you cut this paper into the half from here, from the center, you have the two halves, 1/2, 1/2. In maths, you say halves 1/2. So for consider it is a 1 inch, 1 whole inch. So 1 whole inch on the scale is how much? See, from this 1 to 2 is 1 inch. From this 2 to 3, this is 1 inch. Here you can see on the scale from this 0 to 1, 1 inch. From 1 to 2, it is 1 inch. And if we cut it from the center, each one is half. Each one is half. For example, this one is between 0 and 1, half. This one between 1 and 2 is half. But we will write in this time 1 1/2. Between 2 and 3, it is half. So we'll write it as 2 1/2. Between 3 and 4, this is half. So we'll write it as 3 1/2. Okay, so here I have a question. How many halves make 1 inch? Two. Good. Okay. let's see now. This is half and half. We can cut it more. Let's cut it from the center here. We have cut it this one in the center and this one half in the center. So here we got three pieces, four parts. One, two, three, and four parts we got. So this is part one, this is part two, this is part three and four. One, you can see from this number, one, two, three, four. And the total are the four parts. So we will write 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, and 4 by 4. Because this is the fraction. For example, if I make a circle, okay, and I cut it into the four parts or six parts. So if there is one part, I will say 1 by 4. Uh, if there are two parts, I will say two parts of the circle, I will say 2 by 4. Same like this for all parts. Same like this for the lines. This one, 1 by 4. This second, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, and 4 by 4. Now let me tell you, this 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so if we consider this first line, this is for the first part, which is 1 by 4. This second line, this is in the middle, which is cutting in the half. This is 1 by 2, because this one 2 by 4, actually 2 and 4, they both are same as 1 by 2, because these are equivalent, both are equivalent fractions, which means that if you cut 2 on the table, 2 by 4 on the table of 2, this 2 will cancel with 2 and this 4 will cancel with 2. It will become 1 by 2. So this one line, this is for the first part, so 1 by 4. This is for the half part, so 1 by 2. And this is for this third part, third part. So this is 3 by 4. And when we reach on this line, we will be reaching to the next inch. For example, if this is the inch starting here for 0, and here in this side, I will reach on 1. If it is here 1, if I reach there, I will go to 2. If in this side it is 3, and here in this side I will go to 4. So in these two corners we have the whole numbers, and in between these whole numbers we have our what? Our 1 by 4, 1 by 2, which is mean 2 by 4, 3 by 4, and on this number 4 by 4, which is mean 1, because this 4 and 4 can be cut on the same table. So it is 1. So when we reach on this, we will go to the next inch, next whole number. Now I have some questions. 1 inch is equal to how many half inch? 2. 1 inch is equal to how many quarter inch? There are quarter means 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 inch equal to how many quarter inch? 4 quarter inch. 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch. This is half inch. 1/2 inch is equal to how many quarters? 2 quarters. Good. Let's go next. Let's speak about this scale first. This between 0 and 1. This is the middle line. So between 0 and 1 inch, we'll say 1 by 2. Same for 1 and 2. This is the middle. 1 by 2. 1, 1 by 2. Between 2 and 3, this is the midpoint. So middle line, so it is half, so it will be 2.5. Between 3 and 4, 3.5, 4 and 5, 4.5. 1 inch is equal to how many half inch? 1 inch. For example, from 0 to 1, it is 1 inch. From 1 to 2, it is 1 inch. From 2 to 3, it is 1 inch. So for each 1 inch, how many half inches? 2 half inch. Good. Now let's see this one. I want to measure it. So can you tell me how much is the measurement for this one? Okay, this is for example 0. How much? Half. Very good. Before? No. This is half line, sorry. So for this we will discuss, this is not, this is half, and this line is actually which line? 1. 1 by 4. This line, this is for 1 by 2. Good. Okay. This line is 3 by 4. So we have this line, we have this line, and we have this line. So between 0 to 1, we have 3 lines. One line is, we discussed about, is this. One line is this, which is cutting in the half. And one line is this. This line is 1 by 4. This line is 1 by 2. This line is 3 by 4. 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, and then 1. Again from here. This line is 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4. Good. Again, this line, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, and then 3 by 4. That's great. How much is the length for this box? This colorful box. From 0 to 1 by 4. So the length of this box is 1 by 4. Now see, let's see this one. This is from here to here. This line is 1 by 2 line. So the length for this is 1 by 2, which is mean half, 0.5. Now here I have some objects. You can see this is half. This is half, right? We can say it is 1 by 2. Or we can say it is 2 by 4, which is mean same. For this ant, the same we can say 1 by 2, because this is a half, between 0 and 1, half. We can say it's half, or we can say it's 2 by 4. Both mean same. Can you tell me for this one? See, this line is 1 by 4. This line is 1 by 2. See, this line in the middle, this one, after 1 by 2, it is 3 by 4. Good. So this is approximately 3 by 4 inch. See, this is exactly 1. Right or wrong? Yes. This is 4 boxes and this pin is exactly 1 inch. So this is it till now. Here, now you can see this PowerPoint on your Teams and you can answer the questions. This is starting from 0 till 3.5. 3, 1 by 2. Next you will see and you will try to do by yourself. Thank you so much for watching video. Keep practicing more and more with your rulers that you have making in the class. You can measure some objects with the original rulers as well. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.